Life dance. The area dividing the brain and the soul is affected in many ways by experience. Some lose all mind and become soul, insane. Some lose all soul and become mind, intellectual. Some lose both and become accepted. I just lose all sleep and become tired. Paikar 3 is underway, and I've been writing for weeks with very little to show, namely because I've written the first act 5 times. Writing always seems to go that way. It requires so little, a pen, some paper, and that's why it asks so much. It has so much possibility, so much room to make something incredible, and so much room to fail. But if I stop, that's a fail too. It's just a fail without any learning, without any honor. Paikar will probably never be as good as I want it to be, but it's gonna be good, even if I never sleep again, which is apparently a possibility.
You and I and a little toy shop, buy a bag of balloons with the money we've got, set them free at the break of dawn, till one by one they were all gone. Back at base, bugs in the software flash the message, something's out there, floating in the summer sky. 99 red balloons go by. Red balloons floating in the summer sky. The war machine springs to life and opens up one eager eye, focusing it on the sky. 99 red balloons go by.
Mackenzie's the girl one, which is
Oh, thanks for clarifying.
the green one is Mackenzie.